Okay, this is a Gisholt saddle type turret lathe with a cross-lying turret. Model 3L, serial number 3333X6, new in 1954. You got a big 3-jaw chuck, 4-way 2-post. That's your cross-lying turret. Both your turret and your carriage feed in 2 directions. You have a 30 horsepower main motor, coolant, and Angel's going to run her for you. Sounds good. Oh, by the way, you got box ways. See, they're nice. He's wrapping the carriage. Wrapping the carriage the other way. Cross. He's engaged the feed. That's your to a higher feed rate. Reverse. He just kicked out the clutch. Now he's feeding the other. Reversed it. And again, when you hit that, it knocks it out. Clutch, which is stop. Yep. Gonna do the same here. Is wrapping the turret. He's feeding. Cross feed. Knock out the, now he's going to feed the in a reverse direction, and if he hits that, it's going to knock it out. Knocked out. He's going to index the turret. If he wants to index one at a time, he just moves it a little bit. There. Index. Yep. So you see the turret, feed, cross, and longitudinal. You saw the cross slide feed, rapid. Of both the carriage and of the turret. Now we're going to see some spindle speeds. It's the high range, okay. It's got a jog button. Now he's in, he's going to go again to lower speed. He's going to move it into the high range. Reverse.
check you got, it's better than start this thing.
Yep. Again, we have a big hole here. That's your cover for your
6.5 inches? Or 6 a little bit more?
Yeah, 6 and 5/8. Yep. Good. And I think you about see it. I'm going to walk back here. That's your coolant motor. There are jaws in there. It's the back of your machine.